Let's fucking try this. I'm riding this fucking mount because I have no idea how I'm supposed to do this shit. Now we gotta, oh fucking hell. How the fuck am I gonna drive like this? This is so fucking dumb. Oh, hopefully this looks good. I don't have a GoPro out, so I kind of have to have it in my mouth, as you can see. But we're just gonna go for a little drive back home. Hopefully footage looks fine. I look fucking retarded doing this shit. Ugh. I look retarded for sure. But, you know, I don't really care. The car is kind of lower too, so I gotta take it easy. What? It's too funny because I have to fucking take this thing off every once in a while because my fucking mouth is gonna salivate everywhere if I don't. So, let's go. Fucking speed bumps. Fuck! Oh, don't tell me. Oh, shit. Ugh. This shit better still be recording, brother. Okay. I literally just bought this GoPro too, just like right now, and I was just trying to set it up. So I just did a quick setting on it. I think it's like 2K at 60 FPS, so oh my god. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. This car does have an STI cluster. I just swapped it like 2,000 miles ago, so you know, looks pretty, but it's not an STI, it's still a WRX bugeye. But hopefully once we get past these speed bumps we can actually give it some gas. God damn, it's so windy. Oh, I think it's about to start raining here in Phoenix. It's windy as fuck right now. What the hell? It's hard to do. My jaw hurts already from holding this. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do when you record shit. Woo! So windy. Oh. Let's go for a little bit of on-ramp dance. Oh. Go ahead, buddy. My bad. My bad, champ. Go. You know, this car is a great cruiser. You know, I've driven this long distances and it's very comfortable actually. But ever since I got rid of the steering wheel, there's no cruise control, so that sucks. But either way, still a great car. But yeah, I just picked up this GoPro Hero 11 with a bunch of accessories, but it didn't come with an accessory that I actually need to record these videos, so I'm kind of just biting onto a handle right now while it records, Cause I seen someone else do it. I'm like, okay, I could probably do this temporarily until I get like a hat mount. Oh shit, looks like there's a haboob coming. You can see it is about to turn into monsoon season here in Phoenix. So currently running OTS tune stage 2, pre EPA, so it doesn't give me a check engine light. But I've been running it for a while. It runs very good, no issues for the past like 2 years. AFRs are pretty good too, not really complaining on that. There's the airplane. We're over here by Sky Harbor, so bunch of planes out there and shit. This car is not that fast at all, but it's very fun to drive. Too bad South Mountain was closed, so just gonna be driving around the city, I guess, unfortunately. On the dash because this cluster was not meant to be swapped in here originally, because these lights don't exist in the wiring. So yeah, that's why those are all on. And also the cluster slightly off, you know, slightly off, but you know what? It still has a shift beep, so I'm not even complaining.